The Frozen Polar Regions by Rhymes, Fun and Activities. Traveling to polar regions take a lot of preparations because due to proximity with poles is going to be very cold there. With ice and snow all around, there are many beautiful plants and flowers to see in the valley. Not much people inhabit there, but there are lots of wonderful creatures to see all around. Let's look into them. See, look at the polar bear. How cute it is looking in the cool region of the poles. Polar bear. It is a snowy white bear found largely in the Arctic region. They are carnivorous and often described as man mammals because they largely depend on sea ice. The fun fact about polar bear is they are actually black, not white. Yeah, this is a fun fact about them. Their fur is translucent and it appears white because it reflects light. They can swim constantly for days and have large paws specially adapted for swimming. Cute ermines. Look at the cute ermine. How cute it is looking. Ermines. Headed by short tail and long slender body. It is the world's smallest animal who is a carnivore. World's smallest animal who is a carnivore. It is as white as snow. The word ermine refers to its white coat which is sold in the fur trade. It is a terrestrial animal. Terrestrial animal means it lives on land, likes to live more on land, though it likes to live more on ground. It can easily climb trees and swim well in water. So it is a very good swimmer. Its fur is highly prized and adorns royal robes in Europe and act as a symbol of purity. Sea otters. Look at the sea otter. See his face. How his face is fully covered with thick fur and his fine whiskers. Sea otters have a large cylindrical body and a very small head. Their face is fully covered with thick fur. They have the thickest fur of any animal. Sea otters eat 25% of their body weight in food every day. So, they eat a lot every day. They have sensitive whiskers to locate small prey inside sea. Means they can locate even very small prey inside the sea. They love to rest in groups and they often rest in groups. A group of resting otters is called a raft. Walrus. See the walrus and the big two tusks it's having and see how big and heavy it is. It is a large flippered animal which lives in Arctic Ocean. They can live up to 40 years and are known for their large tusks. They spend about 2/3 of their lives in water. So most of their lives is spent in water. They have a special thick layer of blubber which keeps them warm. Blubber is a special thick skin on their body which keeps them warm. They are very heavy. They weigh around 1 ton, that is 1000 kg. They are extremely social and friendly and known for loudly snorting at one another. So they often snort at one another. They can run very fast. Though they are very heavy, still they can run very fast on land, matching their speed with that of a human being. They can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes. So they can stay underwater for a long time. They can withstand temperature as low as minus 35 degrees centigrade. They have around 18 teeth. Narwhal. See the last tusk the narwhal is having. Narwhal. It is a medium-sized toothed whale which possesses a large tusk extending from his canine tooth. So this whale has only one tooth, one canine tooth and a big tusk extending from his canine tooth. It is found in cold waters of Canada, Russia and Greenland. They are usually white and black, though sometimes they have stripes on their body too. They have small rounded head and short flippers. These are called unicorn of the sea because of their large tusks, which makes them unique. Musk ox. Look at the musk ox. All of you must have seen the ox before. Now look at the musk ox, which you only found in the polar regions. Musk ox. The musk ox is noted for its thick fur coat and the strong odor which is emitted by the musk ox. A very strong odor, a very unique type of odor is emitted by the male musk ox, and it is known for them. They are omnivorous, means they can eat both plants and animals. During summer months, it takes up residence in lower elevates of Arctic like rivers, wetlands, valleys, and eats lots of flowers and grasses. So they love to eat lots of flowers and grasses. When threatened, they have the habit of gathering in a circle so as to protect themselves. Wolves are the main predators of this animal. Penguins. See this bird, how cute it looks. It is a flightless bird which you find in the polar regions. Penguins are a group of flightless birds found in the polars which has got the super capability of swimming in water. So they can swim very well in the water. It has big white plumage and black flippers. You will find black flippers in penguin which helps them in swimming. It has thick layer of skin underneath which keeps them warm in the cold water. Its body being streamlined so that they can easily swim in water. Also, it possesses webbed feet. Its feet is webbed, which facilitates its swimming. It has the habit of huddling in groups, means to keep themselves in groups so as to keep themselves protected and warm. They are endotherms and can generate most of the heat they need internally, means they can generate heat which they need in the polars internally through their internal organs. Certain arteries in penguin's leg can adjust blood flow in response to food temperature, feeding the food enough blood to keep it warm. Reindeer. You must have heard about reindeer before. During Christmas time, Santa Claus and the sleigh. Now look more into it. Reindeer is an animal-like deer with large antlers growing from his head. It is herbivorous and its diet includes herb, fern, mosses, fungi and leaves. It has the ability of swimming very well in cool polar waters. Look, they are swimming in group. Arctic wolf. See the white wolf which is often found in polars. It has two coats on its body. First the inner coat which is waterproof, while the outer coat which is thick and white. They are mammals and they are carnivorous. Its feet is padded. Its feet is padded which facilitates its movement in the frozen ground. Arctic wolves gather together underground to keep themselves warm. So they always gather together and they always remain in group, and they also go underground so as to keep themselves warm. And see the wolf swimming in water. So they can also swim very well in the water. They have adopted the ability of swimming in water. Snowy owl. See the owl, how cute, how white and cute it is looking, and how it is mixing with the white snow. Snowy owl is a large white owl native to the Arctic regions. They have big feathers which make them warm and heavy. They eat a variety of mammals and other small birds. They are neither nocturnal nor diurnal. This is the spatial capability of owl. Their activity varies depending on location and amount of sunlight. So they can see both during the day and night, and they can change their duration according to the location and amount of sunlight. Arctic hare. This is a small white hare, and you will find this type of hare in Arctic region. It has a thick coat of fur, very thick coat of fur, shortened ears. Its ears are slightly shortened and limbs. It is too fast, very fast, and can bound at speed of up to 40 miles per hour. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching.